how to use patreon.com and support your favorite creators. Hi guys, what is up? In this video I will tell you how you guys can use patreon.com and you guys can support your favorite creators. So simply come on to patreon.com and you guys will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you guys can see that they have their tagline which says change the way art is valued. So basically you guys can support your favorite creators, and on Patreon you can let your fans become active participants in the work they love by offering them a monthly membership. You give them access to exclusive content, community, and insights into your creative process. In exchange, you get the freedom to do your best work and the stability you need to build an independent creative career. So like all in all, this is really good. And I think almost every single one of your favorite creators must have a Patreon or they must have a merch line. So you should definitely go with them. So over here, you guys can see all the different packages that you guys might want to use. So for example, if you are just starting out, the $5 package would be good because your fans might not have a lot of money to pay, or you might just not be as valuable as you can be in like 2 years from now. So start with this and then slowly build your Patreon and then go over to almost $25. So let's say you have 1 million subscribers, and out of those million subscribers, 100,000 people are paying you $25. So if we were to do the math over here, so let's do the math for in a quick few seconds. So I'm gonna do this, and then after that let's multiply it by this. You will have $2.5 million coming in every single month from just 100,000 of your subscribers, and then add the YouTube AdSense revenue to this and you are making good money. So on the top left you can see all the different options that you have. So if you're a musician, go with this. If you are a podcaster, go with this. If you are a gaming creator, go with this. So I'm gonna become a gaming creator, and then from over here, if I were to click on get started, that is gonna take me over here. So now from over here, you guys can just simply put in your name, email, your password, or sign up with Google or Facebook, and you guys will be able to start your Patreon journey. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna log in quickly into my account, and once I've logged in, I'll catch you guys in just a second. So click on login, and then yeah, from over here put in your email and password and then log in quickly. So once you have logged in, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, you guys can see all the creators that you support, and also you can become a creator yourself. So we'll start by becoming a creator ourselves. So let's click on get started and then wait for a few seconds, and then that is going to show you exactly how you guys can start. So first you have to choose the genre of your work. So for example, if you make videos, choose videos, continue, and then of course you have to make sure does your work contain 18+ themes or no. So no, and then click on continue, and then choose the currency you want. US dollars is the most popular one, and then after that no or yes depending on what you want to do. And then of course you can also connect your Facebook pages as well if you want to. So once you do that, then after that you will have your page ready, your Patreon is ready, and then you will have your Patreon link. So you can even customize your Patreon as well. You can type in a bio over here. You guys can add your own profile photo. You guys can also choose if you are a company or if you are an individual. So all in all, it is very easy. So you can also add your headline, cover photo, section, fresh account details as well if you'd like. So it is very perfect for anybody who is just starting out. And then from the top, you guys can also have different tiers so that your subscribers can pay you whatever they can easily pay you. And similarly, you have the merch option, then you have the getting paid option, then you have the page option as well. But before we go there, let's take a look at the getting paid option. So you can get paid in the form of US dollars. You guys can of course change the currency anytime you want. And then after that you have the page settings, and then you have the legal first name, the legal last name. So of course you guys can fill this out whenever you can. You can also add your own brand colors, your social links too, and then of course all in all anything you want. And then at the end you can preview your Patreon page so you know how it looks like to other people who are coming for the first time towards your Patreon page. So now let's go back to the basic option. So now from over here you guys can just simply click on back, and we are gonna go back to the main page, and we will be able to support our favorite creators from over there as well. So let's just go there and let's just go back more. Yes, and like now we're in, and now I want you to just simply come back to the login page, and then from over here now click on find creators from the bottom right. So when you click on find creators from the bottom right, you guys can actually see all the different creators come up. So firstly you have to link your profile if you want to see similar people found that you like, but for now we are going to use the search bar at the top right, and I'll type in Ganji Swag. So like this is a person that I watch a lot, so I'm gonna just click on Junaid Akram, and then over here you guys can see all the people that can support him and all the the money that they have to pay him. So $5 gives you access to make fan requests. Requests can be made related to content or otherwise, but it has to be Sharia compliant, of course. And then of course you have the $10 per month plan. Using this, you can get early access to his work. And then of course with the $15 per month plan, you will be mentioned in the video as well. And then of course you will also get Patreon shoutouts, early access, fan requests, and all that good stuff. And then over here you guys can see that he has 39 exclusive posts as well. And then all in all, this is very, very good. So like definitely Patreon is very good if you want to support your favorite creators. We can type in Cold over here. So like Cold is a video creator, or we can type in Johnny FPV as well. So let's see if that works. Yeah, so like we have Johnny FPV over here. So like let's see how much Johnny FPV is charging. So Johnny FPV is charging the $3 and then $10 and then the $20 per package, simply just for the support, nothing more than that. So all in all, this is very, very good to do, and you guys can definitely get exclusive access to your favorite content creators, and all in all, it's gonna be very, very good. So guys, this is how you guys can use Patreon as a complete beginner, and you guys can follow your creators or become a creator yourself. And then at their homepage, you guys can see that you have the Patreon only posts as well, so you can support and follow creators to see posts in your own feed. And you guys can definitely go on to YouTube, you guys can search around and you guys can find your favorite creators Patreon in their descriptions, and then you guys can just simply click on that link and you guys will be able to get their Patreon instead of searching for it manually from over here. So guys, very, very easy to do, very quick like I said before, and you guys should definitely do this quickly ASAP because it's not gonna take much of your time. And guys, in the end, I would just like to say one more thing, that if you guys found this method helpful and if you guys think that this method actually works, if you guys feel like this method is the perfect one for you, then be sure to share this method with your friends and family as well, because then all of your loved ones are also going to be able to make money alongside you. Because what's the fun in making money if you don't have the people you love around you making money as well? So what you need to do is that you need to share this video to your family's WhatsApp group, to your friends' WhatsApp groups, and also to your Instagram DMs as well, so all of those people could also make money. Because in the end, if you guys are all making money yourself, well then it's gonna be very, very fun and you all are gonna become millionaires together. Now guys, this method also covers all the basics of how you can get started with these softwares or these make money online methods, and honestly, if you follow this step by step, then honestly you won't run into any problem. And again, one last thing, if you guys run into any problem, if you guys feel like you did not understand something, well, you guys can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you guys completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff, so it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well then simply watch this video again and you guys will definitely understand it. Again, in the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you guys are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time, it's only gonna take a few minutes, so definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.